Hello. So here I am going to explain in this video how we can test for if anything is none or not. For that, I created one function like this: is a none, which accepts one parameter, that is anything, and it returns true if type of anything is none, else it returns false. So so what we are doing here, so we are checking here in if condition, we are checking type of parameter anything if it is a type of none. And type of none is always like, we know that type of none is non-type. So if type of anything, the parameters type is also a non-type, so both matches and we are returning true. And then in else, if not matching, I return false. And here is a test, like result is equal to 1, where I set it to 1, and then print if the result is a none or not. And in this case it is not, so it will return false. And once I set here another test at line number 17, result is equal to none, by setting is manually none, forcefully, and checking if it is now a none or not. And then in this case, it should return true. So let me run it. So right click, run, and then here we can see that in first case, this condition, when result is equal to 1, uh, as we know that it is not a none, so it returns false. And in second case it returns true, because we set forcefully result to none. So this function or similar function, you should is a function, like nice to have function in our helper library. So wherein we do not need to like having this function and reusing that function whenever we need to check for if anything is like any variable is or object is of type none or not. So that way we can save couple of, I mean, keyboard hits by having a similar function is a none or similar function that checks for uh, if anything is of type none or not. So that was the goal of this video. Hope you will find this helpful, and similar or same function may be now part of your helper methods. Thank you.